Hey folks, Jason here from Echo Consulting. I got a question recently about whether the card view or Kanban view of a sheet can be included on a dashboard. The answer is absolutely. There's loads of reasons somebody may want to do this, but one that immediately comes to my mind is wanting to review incoming requests and statuses of a program or a portfolio, and specifically the statuses of projects that are lying underneath either one of those. PMOs do this sort of stuff all the time. So without further ado, let's take a quick look at an example. So in this instance, I'm a PMO manager. I come in the morning, I open up my dashboard, and I want to see where things stand. So I have my intake form, I have active submissions, I have complete submissions. But what I really want is that holistic view that I can interact with, and that's really holistic in terms of what I can see for the program or portfolio. So let's go over to our source sheet, which is the portfolio intake. And this is really what I'm after. It's filtered by status. It's not filtered, it's reviewing this by status. So immediately I can see in not started, I have supply chain optimization project. I can see that it has high priority. I can see who's in charge of it. I can see duration, all the things that I want at a quick glance. I also happen to know that this is blocked, and I want to be able to shift this really quickly. So let's get this into a dashboard. In order to do that, we're going to utilize the publish function over here on the right-hand side. I'm going to select edit by anyone. And I also only want people who I've shared this particular sheet to be able to view and interact with it. So I'm going to select this third radio button. Ensure that default view is to card view. And I am going to copy this URL. I'm going to go back to my dashboard, edit it by selecting the little pencil icon and adding a new widget. This is going to be a web content widget. Add content here and paste my URL. Voila! Our Kanban board has populated. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit so we have a good view. And also, just aesthetically, the title seems a little bit redundant, so I'm going to slide that out of the way. And I also want this at the very top of my dashboard because this is the first thing I want to see when I open it up. Hit save, and boom, dashboard with an interactive Kanban board in it. Move things around, do all the things I normally would. That's it, easy peasy. If you found this useful or have some tricks up your own sleeve that you'd like to share, let us know. Other than that, have a great one.